Are you going through iPhone slow after iOS 26 or iOS 18 update? Here is how you can fix the lag issue with some quick solutions. Solution 1. Restart iPhone. If your iPhone feels sluggish, start by restarting it. After a big update, some background services might run improperly. A restart clears temporary glitches and helps the system reload smoothly. Solution 2. Free up storage. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Go to General and then iPhone Storage and check how much space is left. If storage is almost full, delete unused apps, remove large videos or photos, or offload apps to free up space. Solution 3. Update installed apps. Open the App Store on your device. Tap your profile icon and scroll to see pending updates. Tap Update next to each app or choose Update All to install the latest versions that work better on the new iOS. Solution 4. Disable background refresh. Open the Settings app. Select General and then Background App Refresh. Turn it off for apps you do not need running in the background. This reduces constant resource use and helps your phone run faster. Solution 5. Reduce motion effects. Open the Settings app. Go to Accessibility and then Motion and tap Reduce Motion. Turn it on to limit heavy animations, making your iPhone feel more responsive. Solution 6. Downgrade iOS version. First, make sure to back up your iPhone. Open MagFone iOS System Recovery and connect your iPhone using a USB cable. On the software screen, choose Upgrade or Downgrade iOS. Select Downgrade iOS and confirm your device information. Click Download to get the correct firmware. When the download finishes, press Start Downgrade. Keep your iPhone connected until the process completes. When done, your device will restart with the previous iOS version.